In today's video, we are going to cover how to enter a W-2 manually if import fails in TurboTax. If you are already signed in, start by opening your current tax return so you are working in the correct file. Once the return is open, look to the left-hand menu and select Federal. This takes you to the Federal section of your return, where TurboTax organizes income, deductions, and other tax details. From there, click Income, then choose Wages and Income Summary. On the Your Income and Expenses page, scroll until you find Wages and Salaries, also labeled W-2, and click Revisit. This opens the section where TurboTax stores any W-2 entries already connected to your return. On the screen that says We will start with your W-2, select Work on my W-2, then click Continue. TurboTax will then move to the W-2 autofill screen. Here, enter the Employer Identification Number, or Federal ID, exactly as it appears in box B on your W-2 form. After that, click Continue so TurboTax can check whether the form can be imported. If the import does not work, TurboTax will bring you to the Choose Another Way to Add Your W-2 screen. On that page, select Type it in myself, then click Continue. This switches the process from import to manual entry. Now enter the information from your W-2 into the matching TurboTax fields. Follow the form carefully and place each value in the corresponding box. This includes your employer information, your wages, the federal income tax withheld, Social Security wages, Social Security tax withheld, Medicare wages, and Medicare tax withheld. If your W-2 also includes state or local details, enter those in the related fields shown on screen as well. As you move through the form, keep your W-2 nearby and compare each entry to the printed boxes on the document. Make sure the EIN from box B matches your form and that wage and tax amounts are entered exactly as shown. If a field on your W-2 is blank, leave the matching TurboTax field blank unless TurboTax requires a value before continuing. After all of the W-2 details are entered, continue through the remaining prompts. TurboTax may show review screens before returning you to your income summary. Take a moment to review everything you entered and confirm that the employer information, wages, withholding amounts, and any state or local figures are accurate before moving on. Thanks for watching. Your W-2 has now been entered manually in TurboTax and reviewed for accuracy.